So guys, Trains here, and today we have Shoutout number 2, which is for MCLA trains. So MCLA trains is quite a good friend of mine, and I thought I'd give him a shout out, try and help him boost his sub numbers a little bit, even though mine aren't great as well, but I want to see how I can get him some subs as well. So we'll just go out and check out a few of his videos. No, let's see. Oh, Devon, put a paint in Devon night mode. I'll check this one out first.
It's your Brett painting station up crossing of MCLA trains. Now, time is 10:30, and this is for our Great Western Railway service to Newton Abbot.
Okay, check out a few of his. Current sub numbers for MCLA trains is 22. Just go to his about page. He joined on 17th of January 2016, 22 subscribers, 583 views on his videos. And his description: hi, I'm MCLA trains, I do level crossings around Devon. Hope you enjoy my videos. Also subscribe for more. And also I've changed his account name as well because it's easier to say. So yeah, quite a few good videos actually here. Got Mind the Gap bus glitch. That's pretty funny. That is pretty funny, that video. Or how to find your Roblox file. Okay. Fair enough. Okay, I'll check that out a little bit later as well. Should we see painting in slow motion? I'm sure we'll do that later at some point. But anyway, that's all from me from that shout out, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.